Hello, everybody. Today we have got what we will call the ultimate grilled cheese. All you will need is butter, mozzarella, pepperoni, some oregano, garlic powder, and we will use parsley as well. And yeah, I've been making this for about a year now, and it's really good. All of these flavors combined just makes a really good grilled cheese, and it tastes so much better than a normal one. I will never go back. So yeah, you just heat up the butter, add in your spices, oregano, parsley, and garlic powder. I guess you could do like normal garlic, but it would be kind of hard on a grilled cheese. You probably have to cook it for quite a while. But yeah, you want your pan to look something like that. Then you add in your bread, and you kind of want your bread to collect all that seasoning. And then you add your pepperoni. Normally I'll go 4 pepperoni per each one. Now I will have to say this is a pretty high sodium snack, and it has a lot more sodium than a normal grilled cheese, probably. Just for you guys out there who may not be able to have high sodium meals, this might not be for you, but this is definitely one for me. My favorite grilled cheese. Thanks for watching, guys.